Start with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I hope you all are fine. Now it is your English lecture. Today I will teach you 3 topics. The name of the topics are pronoun, comprehension and creative writing. So first we will discuss what is pronoun. So the definition of pronoun is a word that replaces the name of a person or object. जो हम word noun की जगह पे use करते हैं उसको हम pronoun कहते हैं. Here are the examples: we, he, I, she, us. These are the words which we use in the place of noun. Here is the pronoun chart. So for boy, which pronoun we use? We use he, him. And for girl we use she, her. And for group we use us, they, we. And for one person we use I, you, me. And for animal or thing we use a pronoun that is it. So let's discuss an example. Kala loves to shop. You all know that Kala is a noun, and you know the definition of noun, that noun is a name of a person, place, animal or a thing. And you all know that Kala is a girl. So we have to change Kala into pronoun. So girl we use she. You all know that for girl we use she. So we will say that she loves to shop. Here is another example. Mona Lisa is a little girl. So she is so cute, I like her. So Mona Lisa is a noun and she is a girl. So we use she instead of Mona Lisa because she is a girl. They have given 3 words and we have to select the right option and fill this blank. This car belongs to Ramesh, or you all know that Ramesh is the name of a boy. So which pronoun we will use? We will use he. He drives it to work. Ali and Ravi are friends. So Ali and Ravi. Now the person is more than one, so we use they. They go to the same school. There is an apple on the table. So here is a object, apple and table. They both are non-living things and we use it for it. It is red in color. I hope you all understand it. Now we will start comprehension. First we will read it, understand it. After that we will solve the questions. Let's read it. An old man had a lot of money. बूढ़े आदमी के पास बहुत सारे पैसे होते हैं. He did not know where to keep it. उसको नहीं पता कि मैं इसको इतने ज़्यादा पैसों को कहाँ पे रखूँ. There were no banks in those days. और इन दिनों में बैंक भी नहीं होते थे. He hit upon an idea one day. एक दिन उसको आइडिया आया. He dug up a hole in the floor of his bedroom and put away all his money in that hole. उसने बेडरूम के फ्लोर में एक सुराख किया और सारे पैसे वहाँ पे रख दिए. He filled up the hole with such skill that it became a part of the floor again. Nobody could tell where the hole was. उसने उस होल को इतने अच्छे तरीके से बंद किया कि वो ऐसे लग रहा था जैसे वो एक फर्श का हिस्सा बन गया है और कोई भी गेस नहीं कर सकता था कि यहाँ पे होल है या नहीं. So let's discuss questions. Question number 1 is who had a lot of money? किसके पास बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे थे? So the answer is an old man had a lot of money. Old man के पास बहुत सारे पैसे थे. Question number 2 is were there banks in those days? क्या उन दिनों में banks थे? So the answer is no, there were no banks in those days. उन दिनों में banks नहीं थे. Question number 3 is where did he put his money? उसने अपने पैसे कहाँ रखे? So the answer is he dug up a hole in the floor of his bedroom and put away all his money in that hole. उसने बेडरूम के फर्श में एक होल किया और उसमें अपने सारे पैसे रख दिए। हाउ डिड ही फिल अप द होल? उसने अपने होल को किस तरह फिल अप किया? ही फिल्ड अप द होल विद सच स्किल दैट इट बिकेम अ पार्ट ऑफ द फ्लोर। उसने इतने अच्छे तरीके से उसको बंद किया कि वैसे लग रहा था जैसे वो फर्श का हिस्सा है। कुड एनीबडी टेल वेयर इट वॉज? क्या कोई बता सकता था कि होल कहाँ पे है? नोबडी टेल वेयर वॉज द होल। कोई भी नहीं बता सकता था कि होल कहाँ पर है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप सबको समझ आ गई होगी। पहले आप इसको दोबारा से अच्छी तरह पढ़ेंगे और फिर आप क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करेंगे। नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट क्रिएटिव राइटिंग। So the topic of our creative writing is my school. Here is a web on my school. What you have to do is I have given different points. Simply you have to write on these points. First write the name of your school. That my school name is Supreme Education School System. So secondly mention how many teachers are there. There are 20 teachers in my school. Then is there any science or computer lab? Then write it. Yes, in my school there is one computer lab. There are 2 rooms, 3 offices, or you can write there are 30 rooms in my school. My school building is very good. Write about the education. The education of the school is excellent. Mention co-curricular activities. Then write how many grounds are there. There are 2 grounds, or there is 1 ground in my school. Then mention about the library, that there is 1 library in my school. So you have to write almost 10 lines on it. I hope you all understand it. So now what is your homework is, you have to solve page number 13 and 14 of pronouns, and do page number 18 of comprehension, and also do page number 19 of creative writing. So Allah Hafiz to everyone. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.